Top 5 energy stocks to invest in 2023. First stock is ExxonMobil Corp., largest non-government-owned energy company in the world. The company was created in 1999 via a merger of Exxon and Mobil, the successors of John D. Their core business is the exploration, production and trade of crude oil and natural gas as well as manufacturing petroleum products. They have been aggressively spending to finance long-term energy production. While this temporarily hurt its cash flow and led to a cut to its bond rating in 2020, it's banking on future oil prices rising for these investments to pay off. Second stock is Chevron Corp., second largest energy company in the United States and the third largest in the world. It's a major producer of oil and gas, a supplier of aviation fuel and owner of over 7,800 Chevron and Texaco retail gas stations. The recent rebound in travel and the global economy has been good for the company's current prospects. At the same time, it's also investing in future low-carbon energy projects, like renewable jet fuel. Third stock is Shell plc. Its historic core business has been in the production and sale of oil and natural gas as well as manufacturing chemicals. In response to the collapse of energy prices during the COVID-19 pandemic, Royal Dutch Shell cut its dividend, a blow to income investors who held its stock. It also shifted a sizable share of its spending away from capital projects for oil and gas and is now focusing more on the development of renewable energy projects. Fourth stock is Total Energies, largest energy company in France. Its current core business focuses on finding, drilling and refining oil and gas. In 2021, however, the company announced that it would like to dramatically shift to cleaner energy sources going forward, with half of its planned capital investment budget over the next 4 years going toward natural gas and renewable energy. Last stock is ConocoPhillips, an American energy company based in Houston, Texas, that focuses on oil and gas exploration and production, the front end of hydrocarbon production. This energy giant discovers new reserves of oil and gas around the world while also developing novel technologies to extract more energy from existing reserves. The rebound in oil demand has helped its stock performance and future prospects as it can now sell its production for more.